from the Ministry of Finance. There has been a lot of news about concerns for these changes. The media have been reporting on multiple perspectives from the IMF, from Samoa Central Bank, and now most recently from the Ministry of Finance. So the main changes that are being proposed, there are 6 of them. CBS functions, how it functions, the policy reporting to ministers, the board leadership, the governor's term, the removal of governor, and the budget approval. So currently, the bank's functions are established by the Act. So any change requires amending the Act through Parliament. The change that the government is proposing is that the cabinet can expand or add to the bank's functions through regulations. The Central Banks of Samoa Executive Committee currently formulates the bank's policies, including the monetary policy, independently. The change being brought forward is the Executive Committee must brief the Minister of Finance on policies formulated under the Act. For board leadership, currently the governor is the chairperson of the CBS board, and the proposed change is a separate board chairperson will replace the governor as chair. Currently, the governor is appointed for 6 years and is eligible for one further 6-year term. 6 years is longer than the 5-year electoral cycle. The change that is being proposed, currently removal is allowed only on specific grounds set out in the Act for the governor. However, the new bill proposes broader and more subjective grounds for removal. And finally, the CBS board approves of the bank's annual budget. The change that they're trying to bring forward is the bill gives the Minister of Finance a power in approving the bank's budget. So the Ministry of Finance have written a letter on the 3rd of August. This was published by Samoa Observer. I just find it so funny how all these letters are being leaked to the Observer. So the Ministry of Finance CEO Saole Titi Maeva Bethan Va'ai wrote to the Attorney General Maunga Precious Chang raising concerns about the proposed changes and from their perspective, the central bank needs to be able to make important financial decisions without political pressure. The Cabinet's new powers, it doesn't support allowing Cabinet to expand the central bank's functions through regulation. It believes major changes to the bank's responsibilities should go through Parliament. Briefing the finance minister, the ministry believes and it's concerned about requiring the bank to brief the finance minister about its policies. It worries that this could give a minister an opportunity to influence its decisions. The ministry suggested a compromise. If the minister is going to receive briefings, the law should clearly state that the minister can be informed, but it cannot tell the central bank what decisions to make. The governor's 6-year term. So the ministry also wants the governor's 6-year term to remain. Samoa's parliamentary term is 5 years. That means the governor's job does not automatically end when a government's terms end. The ministry believe that this helps protect the governor from political pressure. And finally, the budget. The ministry believes that the board should continue approving its own budget rather than giving that responsibility to the minister. The IMF have also raised concerns that some of the proposed changes could weaken the central bank's independence.
Oh, okay. Ria te o le vaenga le o ke fia mata ona te tala le mo tata pasola na fesi ma le o te le o mata pule. Ole fesi le o ke fia fesi ni ya. O ai tonu le legal advisor al government in terms of the swing of on the regulations of mefa penei. O ai na ke o le CEO o kupe po o le Attorney General enga ke avea le pes wa enga o faiak o mafuanga ka confuse ai I le line of communications le I le atua o ai le boss al CEO o kupe o langa boss o le Minister of Finance, right? Minister of Finance is also a Deputy Prime Minister whom their legal advisor is the Attorney General. So is there something lacking in the communications al uvaenga lea? O le binga ngā luke kau whawhisiri e kuai. So why is the CEO advising the Attorney General publicly or whatever that's come, le was how we observe,
Yeah, it's public.
public, instead, ole o mai e sa whawhaile leila lo i makarakara ngofa pe po le hale advice e sili walanga o le alana le ute whai atuai o le Attorney General o ia o le liko la and top advice ale mahalo o le la le no utau whai atu whapena po le hale ia mai se rua le ataua e tau iei lo manam tūlanga o tupe ma
I au kau vai aku fori le kai pe la kulanga le la kapi Samoa o me ale malo ai ku ka se pule la ko I la la vai kam fai e mai le Central Bank I la lo le o me ia manga me le malo e pawar me ka wa awangi ave se la ko kasi ai ia fa kongwel malo ia la ko me ka fai o ngore e fai no winga California set el malo la ko goals ma la ko objectives ai ku sa ro ko nga la ko o fa ka ngu me mga miel malo wa me nga le lo ir ka mi
Yes.
o le sime foi le ngo ka mai ka wa ko ya la wa mai ka sang ne ke ngi ma le ma ka sang ngi if you le malo is requesting me ma le Central Bank o ko ia nga mai I think o le lipoki le nga sau kalua nge le nga sau Central Bank o le lipoki le lua o fare foka sau lo ri mai sau lipoki lua o ngo I le fa ke vai aku me nga mga mi le malo fo le nga isi suinga I fonga nge kula fongo ia o le investment ma le fonga la si me nga baku nga mga mi par mi fai o ku fa kasinga nga inga ia fai nga lu fa kasile inga ese supervision le bank ele fai ka ku forward bank e fai me manga e war makauria o kula fongo ye e fa nga bank o kula fongo e fa nga ku ke le fo nga Samoa le kiki o Samoa so e ka kaulanga fai kula fongo e adapt inga ia suta ile le kiki o Samoa awang I fa ku Samoa ya ngusila ma fonga nge ma Australia walanga o me ia fa pela aku ia investors I fonga ngi o Samoa ai lo lenga fai kulanga ia e ko so solo ia investors o I fiki pe o I sime fai ia ke ula vala ia o le me sirin ka o la vai o ngi ave share ku ko Castle Bank ai ia se supervision
ai se ala ele complain ai le o lo wingo lo tala ai se ai le complain ai le ko vanga le bank le Central Bank rather than or the CEO or makanga ruengo kupe.
I think the Central Bank have also sent their concerns in as well. And like Leatawa said, you know, the fast government won. They have their goals that they want to achieve, so they're going to make it happen. Now the IMF are jumping in, SBC is giving their advice, and so is the Ministry of Finance. But I've seen how the media have been reporting on it, and they're trying to make it look like it's FAST is trying to, or the government is trying to have control over Samoa's monetary system. There's all these narratives. If you could bring that graphic up, please, Barry. Yeah, they're sharing these narratives that the government is trying to control, there's political influence, and that could look very, very bad. But changes to the act is not new. For example, in 1984, Samoa established the central bank under the act, and under the old system, the governor served a 3-year term. See? So
in our part of the world, people carry things.
Under the old system, the governor served a 3-year term. See? So back then, in 1984, was a 3-year term. The Ministry of Finance had a senior official sitting on the central bank board. That's what they're trying to do now. But the Ministry of Finance, Samoa SBC, have said, hey, this is not good because it's political interference. And the board had a major role in running the bank and setting policy. Government and the central bank had a closer governance relationship. In 2015, a lot of this changed, as you'll see on that graph there. The Central Bank of Samoa became more independent. The act was changed. It changed from 3 years and then it went to 6 years. The governor could also be appointed another 6-year term, and an independent panel became part of the process for choosing a governor. So now in 2026, another change has been made that they're proposing that is similar to the 1984, where government and bank worked together. 2015 was more of a, they stood on, no, the central bank should be independent. In 2026, they believe they should work together. So like Leatawa was saying, that there is an interest of the government to be involved in sitting on the board. I agree with that. That's my personal opinion. But yeah, it's not new. So these fear-mongering articles saying that, the government is trying to control the money and interfere politically is wrong. These changes are not new. They've happened throughout history. And it's all about what is the best way for Samoa? What is the best way for our financial system?
E o fo ka unga le IMF. Ole mele IMF. A fai suinga ai malo se le Central Bank. Ole linga. A fai suinga ai vai ai. E le leila. So e ka ola ia ole menga kaunki ki le kapingeka. Ole foi me e sefe ai. Ole funga le administrator kapingeka. Ai pasir palmingi. O nga vese le wala nga o mele ki me fa pele le afia o finga fa por ki kongo o kupele
ora te sina le te fia va tu mana ya la tatu fa so fa la wetele wa te lo se so fo le neva so la tam fai ina ya tatu tapa se tu langa mana experts foi le financial side a le ta fia le tatu fa so on o le o to mai le ola fesili a fa pengi la e makua ku ko kasier Central Bank ele aise wa lo puale lo ki ka va ku le ka o mai ko kele ele ya forma lo ku ko kasi Central Bank longo winga ka ki kalia inga fo ilare mai o kupe para pala ave ko kongo Central Bank ai mo ingi ar malo ele se la ko ya ele ko inga me fa pea tu lo ora malo valeri ko lo wala kala ole malo o vale le ko inga malo e kari kongo ka ngaka ele aise limor malo i me lei ko kongo malo Samoa. Ai lo binga le fa ko e ma kwa le make sense. Ai lo tari tonunga. Oa uma mea uma ko kongo Samoa e pule e ia ia fa malunga malo. Le anga inga ia mala malama i ka ko le fiota inga o kupe ia va a ko fa ngei le ko okasio i. Oh. Wa ka ko va ila le mo le truck dealer ma le truck load mo le mo le ango ngi mo ka ka le a ko invest ko kongo Samoa.
Yep, and you're right on that one. That is, I wrote out a list of 5 of the risks, 5 risks that could happen if it remains independent. Less democratic accountability. So that's exactly what you're talking about. Dirty money that could come through. There's less accountability on that. Government and bank policies can clash. So what the government is trying to push for the better of the people, that can clash with what the central bank's agenda is. Too much power in one institution. Less coordinating during a crisis. Let's say a tsunami happened or an earthquake. I don't know, like some alien came out from the sky and blasted Samoa. There is less coordination for solutions to help the people out. And independence doesn't guarantee good decisions. So there's that narrative they're driving that we have to be independent, we have to independent. That does not guarantee good governance, and that has been proven all around the world, in Australia, in America. There are good things to independence, but that is the constant debate. That is the constant debate.
Ole le leo nei tu inga e pega ka fa yakwa ele fa pe mo le penka ia sa Central Bank of Samoa mo le va ia dat mo le va tele le ai ia fa ta auto ini fainga le lei ele ngata e fulfill pe fa ta un uinai ni si o fufuanga na folfola ele fainga malo ma le fainga malo ai ma wai fo il va ngale sa ngoinga ia fa malo si ai ia tu langa ia o tupe maua i ko kongo le aku ma fufuanga inga ia wengi ka ko ai kalaf a o le singi o ngai me uma ia malu pui ai ni fainga fa sori kula fongo
e ongo sa waku awa a kaule ai se limo le malo ma kaule angor malo le melea le ia toa e fai ngo fie o nga kalia ka ko fai pisingi si fo ie e o waku o fakul kai fia milionga e investi a o sainga sa wai o le drug le mela o aisa cocaine mela feed mai prostitutions chaula o a umanga ko inga me fapenga e fai ngo fie nga waku ngai kanga ka mau fia se lau milionga ma fa se e ai lea ia e fai ala o kulanga ia kau bank that's their bloodline money investments o mea ngai o lai ma fanga ma nga vai pe on ka ko mo mier o ke sengi mo mier ku lo le ala tutu o ngai ma wai ma nga vale le o operations o central bank.
Remember when the interest rates for loans were peaking and they were very high? Lots of families couldn't afford it. People brought those concerns to government ministers, but that was under the control of the Central Bank of Samoa. So these kinds of things affect everyone. And with government interference, those things can be handled better. More accountability.
Ale me le ala na le fasili lo ma vau ole communications le fai mai I letter sia le wo public.
Why public?
Ai mana tua mai le a taua mahana o kanga ngai le fai la ko public statements ngai ma letters ngai soli o kanga ka uma it belongs ma kau kua le malo kusi le CEO anga ile attorney general a o le CEO o langa boss o le minister of finance le o ke vakua va pea also the deputy prime minister a me le o mai fa le ye sa fa le ilalo au mai le legal advice le ngor me foi le ku se ka ke fa kwa le atua e fa kwa la ka kala ni le ngor me le maua e ala ku foi le si fa fia poku ku loa general au kala ke le faisiska me foi le maua ku sale la ku le vai ngai a pe a mai al academic e runga ma fa le atua e mo mai kusa ai lead uma pe link uma me ngai I political affiliations mana tua mai le atu o tele fatu la ngai le o tala na tia o ke ngele si o ke mingai o le uso ma sanga o ke ngele sa attorney general mo pe ka ke fai mai ala ile ama le o le uso ma sanga le o ma eva ma river e uso le lei ke ngai o mengi o ma sanga e loko fakasi ai mana tua mai ele alu ese le sile nga attorney general akuri ele o mo mi ele fast so e always ala le atawa e ia le ke ere ngai me fa e ia le va nga ko mangi ngoi sa mo ele o ila le ka la causa wai foi ko ngu melia ele o ila la causa wai ko ngu ko nga melia le nga wa le fia bow down le CEO ile attorney general le wai for ngai kaimi ai manga kua e ia ki keli or kengele lo ia kaimi ngai itulanga tau commerce ia maua precious o langa lea fio o ia nga ke advice nga le malo I me fa pe na fa ya tu fa pena le la ka o mai ala o va nga le fai mai la ko affiliations fa por kiki ngai mala ko fai nga tu lo ka ke ka o academic side ma me fa pena nga ka alo ile lunga ma fa ari o ko ma fofonga a pe ko mai ia ko ke karangoa e ko ile ma fai se ko nga ma fai por ala se mele le mo kako
me ko nga mi si e ka ka o nga kalangoa o fa ka fa ile se kusi ai se me ring fin kan kalangoa o me la nga fongo inga ia solo pule ma ia le leise me fa nga le kusi a me la le ke o fe kusi fa pe o mo fa pe mala fo le mi ska ko pe o ka o finga ko vanga finga le central bank so ia ke ala ia e pe falling mai e le soka inga ma le link o ngai me o mala wala I o nga kele le pisa
fa na le te fai atu nga mai la io ngai ko inga fai nga ma fau nga o le winga le fai atu ma ngai io ko wa ku o le so round ka ko
o le round table
sa whaileanga ele ai ma se o ko kasi. The government sets the country economy directions. Ministry of Finance manage government's finance. Finance and economy policies. Central banks look after monetary stability, the banking system and the Samoa financial system. So, ole ka oko maiao ko kiuke pe ka fakoru. E ka ua uma ale mele kupu. Ole la ko mai piko ke kau se por faukuanga po le alava. O e so out nga mea. Nga ko mai le au mai se mele le I fa fonga ile ku. Esa
Ko fa lima fongo le simbe o ye. Ai fongo.
Va ko fa ka ua nga.
O kusi o me mun yanga.
Ya, ole na a le la o wai walanga a vaku ngai a vatu nei la ma mai ko inga kuskusinga fa pengai. Le te o mana. O nga kalie roa leo ka ngaka ia e ke e le malo. Masa o ya ka la kuila epa. E le roa ran se malo. No po a fa ilo mo me uma. Se o ko duty of care o le singa vai nga ka o ko ke fo ko ke serve the government of the day o a uma ko inga ku langa ku ko kasi ku ko rua ku ko koru ku ko fa. E au nga kasi mo le lumanga I manguia o le aku.
Yes.
That's it.
Yeah.
Le mafai le malo se me e le anga ila kungu. Mai wala fai suinga ia. Wa fia ngi me fale kongo Central Bank I kai me ngofo mai ku le pa mali chapipi.
Yeah.
Mo need le change.
What really upsets me is that this is actually a very important issue that we all should be worried or care about. It affects the cost of living in Samoa, inflation rates, the bills that you pay, and the fact that largely of what we're seeing in media are the leaders who are supposed to be making this better for us, sending letters and dividing Samoa on this issue is very worrying. But I believe that there is a lot to benefit from if the central bank and the government of Samoa had a closer relationship. The government controls things like spending and taxation. The central bank manages monetary policy. If we combine those two things together, we could get a better result. Like I said, better responses during a crisis, more accountability, and better sharing of information. But it's like all of these red alerts is like, we think or the government is going to do something bad, and they are going to politically influence to do something we don't agree with. They care more about protecting their independence than working together for the country.
Ya, nga kungwa le o mo mia le tunu. To wrap up ta to le vaenga le. Mana ya fo ile tulanga le wa mana ile mai ngai hana. O le talo sanga mo tato. Lea, Central Bank, makanga luenga Ministry of Finance, e a mesi foi o le malo, o le taro sanga, a mesi au kou ia kau kua le malo, no so much i pale mia ma a le mo te tala no atu I whaurulunga o matanga luenga ia e ngā rulu e whaatasi i mata upulea. O le winga o lau tala. Se, fai se kou kongu le lei, ma se kou plan le lei, o le tu te sila mai. O lea kau ke le kaimi ma le season o le alu ar kau whaleanga le whai aku ngei ko ngofo inga ma le ea kau mo whai kau ke whai se mea e pora pui ai le whai ngā malo ma le taitainga pe ku ko kasi pe ang o whaku pe ku ko kasi pe ku ko lua po o le alava e ngā lulue a mo le lei o le aku that's it. Ele ya se si ku foi le e nga ruru e se mai fa pia a me uma e me Central Bank e mangu ia Ethiopia ayo mai le Ministry of Finance mangu ia nga savai ia ai mangu ia nga uporu i the government policies ya
O lau wa ku lau manga e plan sel malo pa wa me Central Bank o fa ka
Yeah.
o la ko fa ka ele o leanga le plan le vaku le plan le vaku
ya le na ua fata o to atu vaenga na o le malo ia sets the country's economic directions longo winga o le mea alu ia longo winga a koe ku se si ku le ataua mahana o le foeuli o le malo
Yes.
Ka ko wola I o le foeuli o le malo. O fea le mea lo lumanga I manguia o le kungu. Lai drive vai lea malo. O le direction le ngā. Government sets the country's economic directions.
Yeah.
Ministry of Finance manages government finances and economic policies. O I or kupi. Le wingor kala. A fa mai malo e mo mia se mea le alanga fisi ma fole e ngale la ka ko wa ai.
Yes.
Minister of Finance, Ministry of Finance. I add whatever my CPS, Central Bank of Samoa, looks after the monetary stability, the banking system, and Samoa's financial system. Longo winga vele manga ia. Ave ka vale le malo o le wallet. E fita ile mea luere peng senior ka vale o reka o ko Ministry of Finance. O le saving. E kua ia ile wallet. O le fafanga o le wallet. CPS. Ila ile manga ia.
Very good.
Aka, o fa mai le mawar kuspa ia. E ngalu lue mea uma. Mole le. Hava aila ia. Saving por piki. O le piki. O le wallet. Ma le avkavali.
Kongua.
O le independence le mga umia. Whako wale independent le lakpisa mo le ngai ngi. Nyon me ngai mo.
O le papunga I fufura kava ne.
O le pa. O so fora kava ne.
Usanga farusi a punga I fafu. Ai le angor kava.
Whakakenga kongwanga.
Kongua. And I like that example that you used of the car, and that's why elections are important, because if you don't like the car that's driving, go and vote.
Leader la le malo government. Leader le malo. O le wallet ia. O oela CEO. ke e whaangoa ngoa ke le CEO o oe o le lima ka makau o le mingi ska kupe e ke lero whaku a whawari mingi ska kau ke ai ale a kaua a whawari mingi ska o lai vai a kuru malo e whaisi ke lero pakpaku rungo le enga e mwhainga e mai ai e whaasanga mai CPS e mo mia tapo mai o ko me le langa fesi mo rungo o le level de la e malu vai an me le fe ko mingiska e ka ke e mai si so
ele la wala ko ngaro